Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have a box opening here on Dolls Gone Goth Challenge Day that I host each month with Dory's Dollies, and you don't want to miss Dory's channel, especially on a Dolls Gone Goth Day. I ordered this doll because when I saw her on the page, she just looked like Netflix Wednesday. And to me, there's the original Wednesday, which is in the newspaper, which is very, very white because they never go outside in the sun. They only go out when it's, cloudy or rainy or nighttime mostly. And the original TV Wednesday. Then there's the movie Wednesdays. And now there's the Netflix Wednesday, who is very dark-skinned, which is odd for Wednesday, but okay. So here she is. Does that not look? We need the dark eyes. Wait a minute. Let's get those dark eyes. There you go. Got those dark eyes. Isn't she cute? You can just picture her with two. We're going to put those on, too. And I think her name is going to be Netflix Wednesday. Do I have a comb over here? Well, that's all right. I didn't get her dress made, so we're going to put this on her. I made it a while ago. Darren makes these adorable little blythe shoes. They go on, let me show you. They go on from the little toe over. You put it on like sideways from little toe, and they stay on. I love them. And then he made this 3D printed stand for Wednesday. So let me do her hair, get her dressed, and show you her new look. So here she is in her, and the theme is New Year, New Look. Here she is in her new look. This is the not nicest hair on Blythe doll I've ever received. It's really frizzy at the end, and I had a lot of fallout with this doll. I usually don't have that, but she's so cute. Look at that face. I gave her little Addams Family earrings, and as soon as I got them in, I thought, oh, I should have showed that on camera. I run hot glue down the shaft before I put it in the Blythe's ears because they have such a large hole. Look at her ears, and the two pieces don't really match that well. See the hair that I can't get off of here? It's like little pieces, but it's so staticky I can't get it. Look how shiny her ears are, and it's like that on both sides. The ear itself, not the earring. So a little bit odd, but I think she is a perfect little Netflix Wednesday, and I like her little outfit. It's not what I had planned. She's going to get another outfit. Oh, this is kind of pulled.
Looks like.
Yeah, she really needs a neck joint, doesn't she? And I put earrings in. Can you do that?
Of course.
Okay. Well, there she is. Go by and see. Dory, if you have a Dolls Gone Goth video today, please let us know in the comments so that I can go by and see your Dolls Gone Goth video today, too. Be sure to go by Dory's. Dory, I hope you love my new doll. She is a cutie patootie. Couple little flaws, but I don't care. Should have ironed this before I did the video, but I didn't. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Thank you for joining in all of our challenges. We really appreciate it. We have so much fun with this.